Let's see how to turn off auto correction on Samsung keyboard. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out the General Management. Open it. Tap on Spelling Correction. Now turn off this option. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If you want to do it on Google Keyboard, then open your Google Keyboard or Gboard app. Tap on Text Correction. Now turn off auto correction here. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed.